Legaspi. I am an engineer by profession. I'm currently working in a financial institution in BGC. So I'm just new to Forex trading. I'm doing stock market trading before. Pero yung napansin ko medyo matagal sa stock market eh. So parang mas bigger opportunity in Forex. So yung kay Coach Lady actually during the pandemic pa to eh. Nag-pop up na siya sa akin before sa Facebook. I'm not sure, if I remember it right, I'm not sure kung nag-enroll na rin ako dun sa mga copy trading, pero nakalimutan ko lang ulit-balikan. So recently yun nga, kasi dami ko narinig about gold, etc., Forex. So before I entered into that market, gusto ko munang matutunan talaga. Especially yung basics, yung foundation ng Forex. It's good na, nakapag-enroll ako sa LPA. The coaches are great, it's fun, the learning is fun here. Very supportive and very helpful naman yung mga coaches, mga questions namin. Kumbaga, yung profitability kasi medyo matagal. Like in Forex kasi parang there's opportunity in buy. When you buy an asset or if you sell. So mas mabilis siya. Yun nga lang din, mas mabilis talo if ever mali yung decision, mali yung strategy yung ginawa mo. Then yun nga, lagi nagpa-pop up sa akin yung LTA sa si Coach Lady eh. So I decided to enroll na before I entered the Forex trading. Para at least mag-gain ko yung basics or yung foundation and knowledge before I start trading. Kasi at least ngayon, alam mo na yung strategy eh. You know how to read the charts, you know how to read the trend. You'll know kung upward or downtrend or ranging yung market. And you'll know when to enter the trade now. Unlike before na parang bahala na eh. Diba? Akala mo uptrend pala downtrend, so baliktad. So far okay naman yung natutunan namin dito, by learnings and what the coaches taught us. Proud moments, of course yung I made the trade on my own setup. Of course, ito rin yung part ng defense namin as a senior. So good thing nag-TP naman. So it's a good, kumbaga parang at least I've proven to myself na tama pala yung understanding ko dun sa market na yon, and the strategy work. Of course, for me, kumbaga parang you really have to pay for you to gain the knowledge and insights in the market. And so far, okay naman. Parang it's a good learning experience. And hopefully, maka-ROI tayo sa tuition fee on the LTA. LTA is legit, unang-una. Kasi ginawa ko when I enrolled, nag-enroll muna ako as a freshman lang. I did not take the full course. Gusto ko muna subukan. Of course, I wanted to check kung talaga bang okay yung LTA. I'm Ryan Legaspi, LTA graduate, batch 20.
Don't just watch others succeed in the market, be part of it. Enroll now at Legendary Trading Academy and start your journey today.